Ahoy there, I'm up. Well, everybody, it's Debbie here, and today I got this through the post, a dash cam, which I always wanted one, and this company came to me and said, would you like to do a review of this dash cam? And I said, wow, yeah. So it's called Vantrue, so I thought I'd show you it, so let's get cracking.
Okay, so right off the bat, the packaging feels premium. It's always nice to see when companies put effort into their presentation. Now let's get this opened. Inside the box you'll find the dashcam itself, the star of the show. This little guy boasts front, inside and rear cameras, offering a 360 coverage. Its build feels solid and surprisingly compact considering it's got 3 cameras. Now let's take a tour of the dashcam features. On the front you have the front camera lens, on the side you'll find the ports for the USB cable, and there's also a micro SD card slot for storage. Here is the rear camera. It's a discreet little unit that you mount to the inside of your rear windshield, providing coverage of what's happening behind your vehicle, recording in 1080p to ensure clear footage of any incidents or accidents. You have the USB cable for connecting the dashcam to your car's power source, and it's long enough to reach from your windshield to your car's charging port. This is the suction cup mount, and attaching it is a breeze. Just press it firmly on your windshield and adjust the angle and you're good to go. There's a cable connecting your rear camera to the main unit. Vantrue has done such a great job for providing everything you need for a hassle-free installation. Now let's walk you through the installation process of the Vantrue dashcam. Installing a dashcam might seem a bit daunting, but I promise you it's easier than you think. So let's dive in. Now the first step is to mount the dashcam on your windshield. Take the suction cup mount and press it firmly against the windshield, ensuring it's in your desired position and angle for optimal visibility. Now it's time to install the rear camera. Mount the rear camera on your rear windshield, preferably near the top for optimal coverage. Route the cable along the headliner and down to the main unit. Now let's connect the dashcam to the power. Plug the other end of the USB cable into your car's charging port. Once connected, the dashcam should power on automatically.
Imagine driving along, then an accident happens. It will all be recorded on the dashcam to help you with the insurance. Or imagine driving down a dark road, then your car breaks down, and in the distance a dodgy creepy geezer appears. It will all be recorded for the police to arrest the geezer or do nothing. This is just examples of what could happen. Tip: always set the setting to 5 max, so if anything clicks or comes near your car.
Take photo. Take photo. Take photo. Take photo. Take photo.
All will be recorded. We highly recommend the N5 dashcam. All tech information and a 5% discount will be at the end.
Take photo.
Here is the tech specs of the N5 dashcam, and we highly recommend it.
and I hope you guys like my review, and I see you on the next one.